Mr. Chicken, yes, Walker, thank you. See you later, Dave, from Greg. Bye, Greg, from Dave. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye na, everyone, ha? 4 minutes. Thank you for the support. Silent, the silent traveler, thank you for the blessing you shared to me. And to all of you are blessed in my life. All my viewers blessed in my life. Good night, good night, Jem. Ano ba yan? Mami na yung sanay. See you tomorrow, Jaja. See you tomorrow, Greg. I love you. I love you all. Good night. God bless you. Same to you, Greg. Dave. God bless us all. 3 minutes. Thank you for this for staying my life until end and in the beginning until end. Much appreciated, guys. Much appreciated. I love you very much. The silent love you from Ate Jaja. Thanks, Silent. Love you. Boy. You're welcome. Thank you. Walang ano ma. Yes, in Philippine. Walang ano ma. End na tayo. Ang laki naman ng inatake naman ng sakit ng ngipin. Magpabunot ka na kasi. Here it's 1 a.m. 1 a.m. That's why I need to sleep. Ayan na 1 minute. Ay, bukas pa ba? Tagal naman yan. Dapat pinabunot mo na yan. Ayan na, bye-bye na. It's 5:13 p.m. Oh, here it's morning.